back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. It is a little bit different. If you have a great Google internet research skills, this might be just for you. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask that if you enjoy this job lead or any job leads that I share, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button and sharing with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead comes from the company Cella. Cella is by Randstad. They have 201 reviews on Glassdoor. They come very highly rated at 4.3 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a remote fact checker. I do believe this is for the United States only. And I just wanted to share because it's a little bit of something different. I am always online searching all of the remote work from home job boards, trying to find high and low, searching for something different. I'm trying to bring you things that other channels are not doing. But with that being said, they are paying $25 to $30 an hour for this position, but it is a contract position, so it's not a full-time W-2 employee position. But as a fact checker, you're basically going to be responsible for reviewing existing articles and identifying any health and medical information in those articles that requires authoritative sources. You'll conduct internet searches to find trustworthy sources, ensuring accuracy and credibility. So you'll review and fact check basically health and medical information in these articles. You don't have to write any articles. The articles are already existing. You're going to conduct those internet searches looking for information from reliable sources that back up what that article says. So maybe it's WebMD, maybe it's like a college that's well known. You'll list the sources at the bottom of the article in compliance with the brand style guide, making any necessary edits and leaving comments for adjustments. You're going to source information from respected organizations, including government agencies, medical authorities, renowned hospitals, and established different institutions. The best part about this is they don't require any kind of degree. They just don't want somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of fact-checking editorial content. Someone who is familiar with pregnancy, parenting, health, or medical topics is a plus, but not required. But I know YouTube tells me a lot of my audience is female related, so I'm sure we already know a lot about these topics just from personal experience. They do want somebody who has great attention to detail and great organizational skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up like button. Let me know that. Give that direct feedback to me. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.